Here's how to use Midjourney's new AI image editor. In an ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, which is constantly pushing the boundaries towards excellence, Midjourney is a generative AI program that seamlessly pushes the boundaries towards excellence in AI. It recently received a significant update as the latest feature of photo editing has been integrated into it. Midjourney consists of many impressive features and is efficiently tailored to cater for the distinctive requirements of users. Now, its latest feature allows you to modify your images, reimagine the visual content, deliver real-world pictures, and more because of its endless possibilities. Unleash your creative potential by following these steps in Midjourney's new AI image editor and get your desired image within a couple of minutes. Here's how to use Midjourney's new AI image editor. Firstly, log into the Midjourney and create a photo according to your preferred style guide. Now tap on Editor present over the button right. Afterwards, adjust your image properly using the given handles to align it. Once you've adjusted the image, edit your original prompt to modify your photo for better quality and image content. Now tap Submit. If you want to erase anything, then select the specific part and remove it. Additionally, if you accidentally erase the required part, tap on the Restore tool and get it back. Users are also allowed to easily adjust the brush size and eraser by using the brush size option. Now, for zoom in and out, there's a scale option. Once you've completed all the edits, tap on Submit to get your desired image with a unique blend of creativity, including stickers and more.